Honorable Deputy Opposition Leader.
Deputy Speaker, my question without notice goes to the Honourable Prime Minister. Deputy Speaker, it has been 6 years since the Honourable Prime Minister became the Prime Minister of the independent state of Papua New Guinea. And over the weekend, he provided a very glossy presentation of all his achievements in the last 6 years. My question, with the level of sensitivity that the Prime Minister has applied to development throughout the country, is how have the people of Papua New Guinea benefited the per capita income from 2019 to 2025 under his tenure? And secondly, Mr. Deputy Speaker, under his watch, as the father of the nation, how many jobs has the Marape government created for the people of Papua New Guinea? Thank you, Deputy Speaker.
The Honourable Prime Minister.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, thank you, Lord. Member of Suave, ask him this very important question, two-part question. It's an important question nonetheless. And I would, through you, Deputy Speaker, ask if the report I present to Parliament later this week on our 6 year of being in office will cover all these aspects, and I will take time to answer to this House and to the country on the issues that was raised this morning. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.